Okay, hi everybody. I just wanted to give you an introduction to Feature Manipulation Engine. So basically what this program does is that it will convert spatial file types of one format to another. And you can also manipulate the schema of the tables that you're working with, and you can work with large data sets. So here is basically what this consists of is adding a reader, and with the reader you specify the format of the file you're looking at, and in here and you specify the data set as well that you're trying to get, and then you can specify a coordinate system. And this program also consists of writers, which you write the format out to what you want it to be. So here I have a CSV file, and this is of Twitter data, check-in data, and I'm going to convert this CSV file into a feature class. And so we have readers and writers, and in between these are called transformers, and they allow you to manipulate the schema and do other things with your data. And so this first transformer here is called Attribute Manager, and so that lets you rename your fields. Then this transformer is real important. This is the vertex creator. So this actually creates the geometry from latitude, longitude coordinates. And then there's another transformer that allows you to set the coordinate system. So it's you know it's easy to use, and yeah, you don't need any code. And so for this, basically what I'm going to do is under writers, you can redirect to FME Data Inspector, and this lets you visualize your data on a map. And so yeah, this program's powerful because it allows you to work with really large files, really large tables with with millions of records. So yeah, so let's go ahead. This is what I've created, and I'll go ahead and run it. And so basically you can see all the records being processed. And what it's going to do as it goes through all the records, it's going to redirect me to the FME Data Inspector, and it allows you to see what it looks like. Okay. So there are all the points from that file I just created. Okay, I just wanted to give you kind of a show you, how many different formats you can, change from. I mean, it's pretty amazing. It's like these are all the different spatial formats, and you can convert one to another. So it's yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, just wanted to show you that, and if you're interested, I can, show you what it does. Or I just did, but I can show you, just how you set this up. So thanks a lot. Bye.